Hi everyone, I'm Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. Today we will discuss about some pairs, okay? And especially we will discuss about the BTC. That why we are predicting that market will drop to the monthly reentry. Okay, let me discuss this one. When market was reacting to this area, okay? So in the market people was expecting that gold can form higher high, sorry, crypto BTC can form higher high, but we was expecting that gold BTC will drop from this point, okay? And for target it's still 71 to 76k, because on monthly time frame BTC need to form a monthly reentry. Now I'm expecting this MF10 on monthly reentry, okay? So on daily, if you see here, market break the consolidation zone. Here market was consolidating at this point for a couple of weeks, but now here we got momentum. Here we got a clear momentum, so market can make a re-entries and then drop to this zone. But on H4 time frame, what we see? We see that market yesterday formed a H4 re-entry cell, and now it's forming again H4 re-entry cell, but here we don't have any confirmation. Here we don't have any confirmation, and I'm expecting a nuclear setup as well. Here market can, here, and EMA 50 will get outside of the top PB, so market can reverse from this zone, okay? So this is for sure, but on H4 if you look closely, market is losing momentum as well. If market is losing momentum here, that's mean, first, this zone is a weak zone, not a strong enough, but still it's a valid zone. After that market can form a daily re-entry. Daily re-entry, market will must form daily re-entry, because this is third time frame for monthly time frame. If monthly is first, daily is third time frame, so here market will form daily re-entry, then MLB, and then it will fly. So still I am looking that it can drop, okay? Before starting a bullish rally, BTC will drop. The whole crypto market is in strong bearish trend. Now let's move to the gold. On gold, in my live session with my students, I predicted that market will go here, market will test this zone, and then it will drop, and I'm expecting here to the weekly re-entry. If you if we look closely to the weekly short, from last seven uh from last 9 weeks, gold is forming gold is showing a strong bullish uptrend. So now market need to make some correction here to give us a weekly re-entry. So in bbma, in every strategy, if you know that where the fullback, the retracement will stop, you will make money. If you don't know that where this retracement will stop, so you need to practice on it. You need to find the reasons that where this retracement will stop. So re-entry is like a retracement in a bullish trend or in a bearish trend. So we need to know this point, this one as well. Every pullback, we need to know that when it will stop. Without bbma, it's hard to identify because they are using for trend identification, they are using trend lines. So in a trend line, it's not easy to identify major and minor trend. Okay, mostly the inner trend line will is making trouble for the traders. In bbma, it's easy to identify the trend of the market. It's very easy to identify the trend of the market. Now let's look out about the German 40. Start from daily, weekly, monthly. So we have strong bullish rally on H4. We can get a re-entry buy here. Okay, but still we need multi-time frame analysis. Remember, bbma traders, they are doing multi-time frame analysis. Without multi-time frame analysis, we can't take a trade on single time frame. Okay, so we need. And why it's important? Because if you look to the previous video, the last video I uploaded, the basic concept of bbma re-entry. So in a re-entry on first time frame, market is forming a re-entry within a bullish trend. On second time frame, we need a reversal sign, and we are using extreme for that. On third time frame, we need mlv, that the seller volume, market need to lose selling volume, and once the buyers enter in the market, we enter it with accurate volume. That's why bbma is powerful. That's why bbma is powerful, and we are working on market behavior, the structure of the market, that's very important. This was a little bit scalp trade from here to here, around 60 to 70 pips with 10 to 15 pips stop loss. Extreme B, re-entry after momentum, mlv formed here, and market dropped around 70 pips with 10 to 15 pips stop loss. So small time frame can work, but for that you need a clear momentum on higher time frames, including H4, H1. Now for gold, we are expecting that market can drop to this zone. Okay. If now you guys will ask that market is reacting with mid BB. So first target is also is done now. First target is done. For selling, we was expecting that market can drop to the mid BB, so it's dropped. Now we will wait for the mid BB breakout with momentum on H4 time frame. If market break this zone, so definitely it will make a weekly re-entry, and probably it will. Market will make, gold will make a weekly re-entry before going more bullish to 3K. So we have 1300 pips in hand. In upcoming days, remember that price can hit 3000. Okay, so that's the idealistic price for the gold, and that's a possible one. So just wait for it, make confirmation. Don't take a trade without any confirmation. If you are using any strategy, uh, it doesn't matter, because I already mentioned that every strategy is working, but you need to master it. Why we are choosing BBMA? Because it's easy to analyze the market. It's very easy. In a short time, you can make analysis on from higher to low time frame. It's very easy to understand the market behavior and structure. On US30, okay, on US30 we will wait for the week, for the daily short. Here, if market failed to break MA510 high, we will make confirmation and we will wait for it. Once we get the confirmation, we will sell it here and we will hold till monthly zone. Okay, so monthly zone is perfect. Monthly zone is possible for US30, but still we will look here. We need confirmation here for selling, otherwise it will respect the weekly reentry. If I zoom in, so you can see here market is already forming a weekly reentry. Weekly reentry is forming here, and market need to uh, respect this zone. If market is respecting this area, then it will hit top BB. If not, it will hit low BB. So at this point, gold, US30 is very favorable pair. Also German 40, also gold, and definitely BTC. Definitely BTC. Definitely BTC will perform very well, very well. So we can expect in the last week of December. Let me remind you, in the last week of December, when gold was hitting above 1.104, I predicted that gold will BTC will drop. BTC will drop till 76k. Now it's, in BBMA we have active supply and demand zones moving side by side with market, not the constant one. So price may be up or down. The exact price, it's not maybe 76k, it may be 77, 78, or maybe 73. Remember that. But crypto market will drop more. I'm expecting that. This is not for selling idea, because the whole market is bullish on higher time frame. So we will wait for the perfect zone for buy. Don't buy it. My recommendation is don't buy it. Wait for the confirmation. If market given us a perfect buy setup and we missed from the bottom, so we can ride in a re-entry. We can get a re-entry on higher time frame like H4 daily. So don't be panic. Wait for it. Gold, let's see what's happening today. Already we got some pips from H4 point, uh, mentioned with stones and learning community. Okay, so here already dropped. So let's see what's happening next. If you have any question regarding this lesson, this analysis, so you can ask me in the comment section below. We will respond very quickly. And if you didn't join our Telegram community, so please must join our Telegram community. Also, if you are first time watching our YouTube channel, press subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Thank you guys. See you soon.